Today we're going to talk about the process for safe and effective use of rigid gas permeable contact lenses, or RGPs. Now, before handling your lenses, always wash your hands thoroughly using fragrance-free or non-moisturizing soap. You're going to dry your hands with a clean, lint-free towel. Now, for the cleaning, you can use any Boston solution, and rinsing, you can use multi-purpose or saline spray. Now we can talk about the insertion of the contact lens. After carefully cleaning and rinsing your lenses, you're gonna place the lens, after also washing your hands, you're gonna place the lens on your index finger. You're gonna make sure you can see it against the light, and you're gonna inspect for any damage or debris. And once you make sure it doesn't have any debris or your lens is not damaged, you're gonna put a few drops, could be 1 or 2, of the multi-purpose solution in the bowl of the lens. Now, with one hand, you're gonna look down and hold the upper lid, and with the middle finger, you're gonna hold the lower lid. So even if you blink, your eyes don't close. Okay? And with the other hand, while you have this hand holding both lids, with the other hand, with the lens on your index finger, you're gonna bring the lens directly on your eye. Make sure it's not on the white part, directly on the cornea. Once placed on the eye, on the cornea, you're gonna blink gently to allow the lens to settle. It's gonna be uncomfortable at first, but it's normal. Now, the removal, we can use the scissor method. You're gonna open wide. With the index finger, you're gonna pull the upper lid, and with the middle finger, you're gonna hold the lower lid, and you're gonna pull it towards your ear, and then close your eyes firmly, and make sure with the other hand you're ready, because the lens is gonna pop out of your eye. And after removal, you can clean your lenses. You can place it on with clean hands and dry hands. You're gonna put it on your palm, and you're gonna apply a few drops of the RGP cleaning solution. Like I said, you can use any Boston solution. And with the index finger, you're gonna rub the lens gently back and forth, and try not to use any excessive pressure because you can damage the lens. And after cleaning, you can rinse your lens with the saline spray. Remember and avoid to use any tap water or saliva. And for the storage of the rigid gas permeable lenses, or RGPs, make sure you leave them in a flat contact lens case that is dry and clean. Now, about the wearing schedule, let's follow the 2+2+2 rule to adapt comfortably. You're gonna make sure you wear your lenses for 2 hours on day 1, and then day by day you're gonna increase it by 2 hours until you reach your full wear time. Now, we're almost done, and there's a few important do's you need to know and remember. You're gonna make sure to have a backup spectacles in case your lenses get damaged, or also you need to rest, so you can use your spectacles then. You're gonna replace your RGPs once a year or sooner if they're damaged. And if you feel redness, pain, or discomfort, make sure you remove them immediately and contact your doctor. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.